Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the
YouTube, what is the deal? It's your boy 368, and we back with another fire banger. I'm giving y'all two. Oh, I said two. I'm giving y'all two back-to-back night POVs with the GoPro. But this time, we're gonna be bending corners. It's raining. We gonna go out there, go to Mexico, get the car sideways. We gonna toss it around. We're gonna get this big six loose, man. Get this big boat moving. But also, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro, because a lot of y'all are watching, but you're not subscribed. Go subscribe, go subscribe, go subscribe. But I'm gonna pick up the camera. We're gonna hop in this GoPro, get this started. Bow. All right. We got the GoPro on. We got the stars going. I got them all white this time, like we in a Rolls Royce. But y'all know it's not that video without that start. We're gonna turn that traction and stability completely off. So hold that traction button, start the car. Yes, sir. Charger. Sport. Stability off, man. Let's get right into this video. I don't know if y'all can tell, it's raining outside. I'm glad that it's raining because I want to get a little sideways. But we definitely gonna hit these corners, see how it is. Oh shit, we did. We definitely gonna see how it is though, man. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of these nighttime POVs and just like the GoPro POVs because I like them a lot. I like this view because you can see like my hands, the steering wheel. I wish I could find the airbag that had the SXT that glue up, that glue, that not glue, but like it illuminated like the SRT. So I think that'll be pretty fire. We are on the road to 1,500 subs, man. All I need is y'all to just like, comment, and share the video and subscribe, bro. Like, that's all y'all gotta do. Is like subscribing don't cost no money. It's free. It'll help me bring more content to the channel and all that, man. So make sure y'all going out there, y'all subscribing because I'm dropping nothing but bangers. Come on, like who else is doing this? But make sure, ooh, it's a big old puddle. Damn, boat just went swimming. But make sure I leave in the comments something positive, and I'm gonna start shouting y'all out. So leave in the comments a positive message that y'all wanna leave for somebody or leave for me, and I'm gonna pick my favorite one and I'm gonna shout y'all out in the video. So I'm gonna really start doing the positive comment shout outs. So tap in, let's get these comments going, let's keep it positive, let's keep it nice, man, because on my Instagram, I get nothing but hate. I just wanna see something nice every once in a while. Like everybody hates the V6 Charger. I don't know why. Like, I'd be so mad that it's not a V8. Oh, why didn't you get a Hemi? Or why did you do this? Why did you do that? Man, don't worry about what everybody's got, man. Y'all always worry about somebody's pockets. Just tap in, man. Make sure y'all also go follow my Instagram. It's just like my my YouTube name, 3.6J, the word 3, period, the number 6, JAE. I'm at 5K followers on there. I'm just trying to grow, man. On my Instagram, I'm always posting reels, pictures of my car. If you want a good laugh, just go look at any of my comments, cause it'd be filled with just crazy people talking trash, people getting mad in the comments. It just be ridiculous. But make sure you go follow me on the gram. Windows started to get a little foggy. Gotta turn that air on real quick so we got some visibility. But let's see if I'll spin when I do this little pull. Let's see. I'm gonna do like a little first gear pull. Second gear, all right, bet. Like watch, I'm gonna show y'all like how the car wanna be spinning. Ooh! Spinning is not winning, my boy, oh my God. I'm out here risking my life for the content, come on, man. Y'all better go subscribe, bro. I'm gonna keep saying it, cause a lot of y'all watching and not subscribe. Just subscribe, I'm dropping bangers, bro. But I'm gonna tap in once we get a little closer to Mexico City so we can start bending some corners. Give you another little pull, little first gear pull. Let's see how bad we spin. Little second gear pull, all right, ain't bad. And then that first gear gonna be chatting though, watch. Ooh, shit. Oh my God. Yeah, she definitely spinning, because I know once I get that car angled, she gonna be sideways, my boy. All right, y'all, we in Mexico, got our first little corner right here. Get a little sideways, let's see something. That wasn't bad, that wasn't bad. I like doing like the left turns instead. I feel like I got more control over the car. All right, y'all, so I'm at a little low roll. See if I can get the car to fucking kick out a little bit. Let's see. Not this little bitch a little sideways. What is that? Reflecting. Is that a light? Bro, these neighborhoods be so creepy, bro. Like, they be so having so much random stuff around here. All right, got this little stop sign right here. All right, y'all, see if I can walk this thing up the hill. Got a little loose right there, oh my God. I don't know if y'all can tell, but in front of me, this little Honda Elantra got a big old wing on the back. These crazy rice cars, bro. Mexico be having some crazy ass stuff going on. All right, y'all, so the roads over here are super trash to me to toss my car, but I think I might know a spot that got some open space where I could throw the car around, play around for a little bit. So I'm gonna head over there, see if that spot is open. If not, I'm probably find another little spot to try to toss a car around in Mexico, but I'm gonna chat with y'all once I get over there. As a matter of fact, I'm not gonna head all the way up there because that's super far, and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be a little bit of a stretch to get up there. So I'm gonna keep trying to find little spots right here to toss around. See if I get right here real quick. Damn, I got too much. My tires are fucking huge, bro. Oh my God. Wait for these cars to go. See if I can get a little sideways right here. Hell yeah. All right, so I got this little red light. Dancing with it. Oh my God. Had that shit dancing. Oh my goodness. I'm telling y'all, these little V6s get loose now. Don't get it twisted. I got some homies who slide these little V6s and they be getting crazy with it. Like, the way they get these cars sideways is like they sliding better than people who got scats and cats. I'm putting it to you like that. I got a few homies that's like that. Get this little spot right here. This little turn. See this something out. Woo! Got it sideways, yes sir. Tossing this bitch, oh my God, that was perfect. Let's see if I can do it again right here. That was just sideways as hell, oh my God. Let me see, wait for these cars to come through. There we go. Gotta walk that shit. Gotta walk that shit, man. Come on. Don't turn me into no slider now. I'll get to acting crazy out there. What you talking about? I'll get to acting stupid. Get a little another one right here. Getting loose, bro. Oh my God. It's so fun tossing this car in the rain because it kick out so fast that you gotta catch it. And like now that I had the flat bottom steering wheel, I be having to catch it now. So it be perfect. Damn, y'all, we done got stopped by the train. Gotta wait for the train to pass by to head over to the next spot. Like, God damn, that shit is trash. All right, y'all, so I'm not waiting on this train to move. Oh, Mexico PD, one more time. It's like I can never get away from these guys, bro. I always end up running into them somehow, some way. Oh my God, I didn't even peep he was sitting right here. I'm about to just drive in a little lot. Just don't mind me. I'm just gonna come up here and just just get me on through this way. Y'all, I don't know where I'm at. I'm in some little random little alleyway, little cut. I'm just trying to get low so I can get up out of here. Ah, man, this train stopped over here too, damn. I hope there's another one I can like come up to. Let's see if I can bend this real quick. Oh, that was gravel. I ain't want to kick up rocks on nobody's stuff. Oh man. All right, y'all, so I found a cheat code. They didn't put this train little thing down. I don't know if y'all can see the train right over there, but hopefully I can get to where I gotta go because it's right up over here. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's see if I can turn right up in here and wait for this car to come. Oh, of course there would be a car behind me. I don't know why, but I don't like getting sideways when there's like cars around me or behind me because I don't want to be liable for nobody's stuff. Granted, I am in Mexico and you could do this here, but I don't know. People in Mexico, they just be tripping. All right, y'all, I made it past the other side. Now the train want to move. Get the fuck out of here. Still getting the sideways, yes sir. Oh my God. Getting this little hoe sideways, man. Come on, fuck with me. All right, y'all, got to this nice little spot up over here. Do some nice little pulls or whatever. See if I can do some rainy pulls. See if I get sideways. God. Nah. She is not liking this, man. I need that grip for the tires to the ground, man. God. See if I can get a little sideways right here. Can't see none. Oh my God. Try one more good time right here. Why, but like my tires are not breaking any traction. Like it's barely doing it because like I don't know if you know, I'm rocking 295 40/20s in the rear. That's a big ass tire to be tossing around and sliding. So I'm over here trying to get that shit sideways and it's not wanting to kick out. God, this is why I don't be out here doing that for real, because I just can't do it. I prefer the whole Mexico racing and all that personally. See if I can get y'all a quick little walk-in burnout. The car might get a little sideways, but let's see. Fuck it, might as well, right? Oh yeah, walking this shit. A little something. These tires just won't break traction, bro. Oh my God, this shit is annoying. I be wanting to get a little sideways in Mexico, and I be having to wait till they get a little rainy. All right, it's probably the last little corner I've been for y'all. Let's see. Yes, sir. I know I'm not a drifter, man. I like doing the racing. Don't roast me in the comments. I just like playing in the rain. It's like, it's just why not? I gotta put out that content somehow. I just like playing around in the rain with y'all, man. Just getting the car a little south. All right, y'all, so the GoPro did just die on me. That's trash. I knew I should have brought more of the battery, but I'm gonna pick up the camera to get back to the crib and we'll go from there. All right, y'all, so like I said, the GoPro did end up dying. I knew it was at like 50%. I knew I should have brought the other battery, but thankfully that was my last little bend I gave y'all, or for whatever else y'all seen that was on there. But bro, I have so much like tread on my tires. Let me show y'all. Like, look, y'all, I got so much tread on these tires, and the tires are big. These is 295 40/20s. So getting this sideways is not easy, especially with this big old boat, but I was getting loose. But that'll be it for today's video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm dropping hella POVs with the GoPro. Leave in the comments different types of POVs y'all want to see with the GoPro, different type of POVs, just period, y'all want to see me do. It's 36J, man. Peace.